Right, segregation is given in terms of percentage. What is total value given here? 600. What is 1%? 6. So now, out of total number of bottles sold by outlet A, the respective ratio between number of steel bottles and plastic bottles was 7:5. And you are asked to calculate steel bottles. So steel bottles in terms of number of parts, how many parts we have? 7 parts out of 12 parts. What is A in terms of percentage? 20%, where 1% value is equal to 6. Come on, how many times? 2 times. And it is 10 times, 70 answer. Clear? Next. What is the central angle? Stop. Whenever it is central angle, you need to verify which multiplication? 9 multiplication, because 1% is 3.6 degrees, which is 9 multiple. So whatever percentage you calculate, it has to be 9 multiple. Is your first option 9 multiple? Second, third, fourth, fifth has to be your answer final. Next. Number of bottles sold by outlet E in May 2020 increased by 40% as compared to previous month. What is the number of bottles sold by outlet E in May 2020? E occupies 25% out of 600, which is 150. And now this value increases by 40%. What is 10% of this number? 15. 40%. Double. 60. When you add both, answer 210, third option. Next, what is the difference between total number of bottles sold by C, E together? C and E together, that is 49%, and D. From this we need to subtract 16%, that is 33 into 6. Answer must end with 8. How many options are there? 33 we have. That means answer must be 3 multiple also. Is your fourth option 3 multiple? No. Third option final answer. If both options are 3 multiples, now we can verify 11 multiplication, because 33 is not only 3 multiple but also 11 multiple. Out of number of bottles sold by outlet C, 1/4 were steel bottles. What was the number of plastic bottles sold by C? If 1/4 are, can we take it as 25%? Otherwise, if 1/4 are steel, plastic bottles are remaining only 3/4 of which number? C. C occupies 24%, where 1% is equal to 6. Now, answer must be 9 multiple, right? Come on. This is 3 multiple and this is also 3 multiple, where denominators are not 3 multiples. Answer must be 3 multiple and there is only 1. Otherwise, you can go and verify last digit verification. How many times? 6 times. 6 into 6 ends with 6. 6 into 3 ends with, and there is only one option which ends with 8. Next, from 41 onwards. Come on. Let us complete this negative number and division. Left hand side negative number goes to right hand side and becomes positive number. Is this clear so far? 6 how many times? Minus 16 goes to right hand side and it becomes plus 16. 24, 16, 40. Then x is equal to 320 divided by 40. Answer 8, third option. Minus x goes to right hand side and right hand side number will come to left hand side. Is that okay? Now let's verify last digit. No, 3 options ends with 6. So we have to calculate this. Come on. 1080. Negative numbers minus 124. Right hand side 16 square will come to left hand side. Becomes minus 256. Right hand side 4 square will come to left hand side and becomes plus 16. So positive 380. 10 minus 3. 7. 96 minus 80. 16. 716, fourth option answer. Is it clear? Next. Right hand side, your exponent, your x value is an exponent and which is base value 2. So left hand side I would like to concentrate only powers of 2, not any other number. You may have 3 multiple, 5 multiple, 7 multiple, something like that. But your question mark is related to only 2 power something. Let us concentrate only on 2 power something. 8 square can be written as 8 can be written as 2 cube to the power of 2, that is 2 power 6, and the other number 4 cube. 4 can be written as 2 square to the power of 3, 2 power 6. We need to add exponents because we have multiplication, and we have other number 3 square that is not related to 2. I don't want to consider that. Denominator 18, is it a 4 multiple? It's only 2 multiple only, right? Denominator 2 to the power of 1, and again 4 can be written as 2 square and then 2 cube. We have 6 and 6 gets cancelled, so final answer must be 2 power 6 only. From 10 how much should be subtracted to get 4 or to get 6? 4 must be subtracted, which is first option. Is this clear? Even if you consider other than 2 multiples, the same number will be there in numerator as well as denominator, that gets cancelled. Because that is not there in right hand side, you don't have to really concentrate on it. Ardhamainda? Chalo, next. 3 into 4, number inside bracket. According to BODMAS rule, first we need to complete braces only. 3 into 4, how much? 12. How many times is 240? 20 plus 25. Answer 45, third option. Next. 7 gets cancelled. What do you think when you see 1331? What comes to your mind? It's 11 cube 21. How many times of 121 we have? Come on. 2 times. Already 1 time is already there in right hand side. Then x square must be equal to 121 only. 121 can be written as which number square? 11 square, first option. What do you mean by 25% in fractional form? 1/4 of 40%, 10%, 100, 120. Right hand side number minus 800 will come to left hand side, becomes 920, fourth option. Let's go with, and plus 5 ends with, come on. So plus 4, if x square ends with 0, x must end with 0 only. Third option, final answer. Is it clear? Next. 0.79 added to 0.29, because both are negative numbers, I am adding number after decimal. 0.79 plus 0.21, that gives you 1. 29 plus 1, minus 30 minus 120 is 150. Answer 66, second option. Cube root of 64. 4 how many times is 84? 21 plus 15 is equal to which number square? 36 is which number square? 6 square. So last digit verification cannot be done because 3 options ending with 2, 2 options ending with 6. Now these numbers goes to right hand side, it becomes minus 15 square. Already we have 225, minus 3 square 9, 5 square 25, 7 square 49. All are next. 8% Hindi and Marathi. 7% Marathi, Tamil, Gujarati. 9% Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati. And the rest of the population watch TV shows of all the languages. All the languages in the sense Hindi, Marathi, Tamil and Gujarati. Right. So remaining we have to calculate in terms of percentage. Now let's identify combination of 2 numbers or 3 numbers such that it gives you a round figure. 11 and 9. Come on. 22 and 8. 30, 20. 50 plus 10. 60 plus 17. 77 plus 7. 84 plus 9. 93. Remaining 7% comes here. Right now. And what is the total number? 8,200. You know that. Come on. What is the total number of female who watch both Gujarati as well as Tamil? If the respective ratio between number of female and number of male who watch the same will be in the ratio 17:11. So total how many parts we have? 28 parts. And how many of them are female? Order is important. 17 goes to female because the ratio is female to male. So that is 17 out of 28. Among what people, what group we are supposed to consider now? Those who watch Gujarati as well as Tamil. That means you should have both G and T. GT must be there. GT is here. GT is here. 7 plus 7. Come on. 14 percentage in the sense. 14 into 1% value 82. 14 how many times is 28? 2 times. 2, 41. Number ends with? Answer must end with? How many options are there? 2 options are there. So we have to calculate. 1741 times. Let's calculate 40 times and then we'll add one more time. Is that okay? 17 double. Double. 34 double. 4 times is 68. Then 40 times is 680 only. And one more time we have to add. That means answer must be more than 680. That cannot be 4th option. 5th option final. Got the point? I did not add. I know that answer is more than 680 and that is enough for me to answer my question. How many people do not watch Tamil TV shows? If you want to calculate how many people do not watch Tamil, T must not be there in all the list. So instead of identifying, instead of adding these 5 numbers, you can add all those tick marks, numbers, and then calculate your percentage. The other way is calculate how many of them know Tamil, and from the total 100% subtract percentage of the people who know Tamil. Then that gives you the remaining people. Is that also okay? Let's do this. 11 plus 10. 21 plus 7. 28 plus 7. 28 plus 7, 30. Then remaining 60. 5%, 65%, that is 65 into 1% value, 82. Answer must end with? 2 options are there. So I would like to identify last 2 digits. I know that last digit is 0. So for that we need 2 and 5. 2 into 5 will give you 0. Am I right? Separate 5 from this number, you'll have 13. Separate 2 from this number, you'll have 41. 5 into 2, 10 is separated. Now 3 into 1, 3. Answer must end with 30. 5th option final. You understand? Did you get this point? Otherwise, out of 8,200 to calculate 65%, 50% plus 10% plus 5%. 50%, 4,100. 10%, 820. 5%, 410. Last 2 digits, 30. 5th option. How many households watch neither Marathi nor Gujarati? Neither Marathi nor Gujarati, in the sense those 2 must not be there. Am I right? Come on. Right. So Gujarati must not be there as well as Marathi. That means that will be only Hindi, only Tamil, Hindi and Tamil. Apart from these 3 circled numbers, remaining will have either Marathi or Gujarati. Observe. Except these 3, remaining will have either Gujarati or Marathi. So we just need to add only these 3 numbers. 22 plus 11, 33 plus 10, 43% in the sense, 43 into 1%, that is 82 only. Come on. Last digit verification. Answer must end with? How many options are there? Observe these 2 numbers carefully. Your 4th option is only 2 multiple, but not 4 multiple. Last 2 digits. When you observe last 2 digits in 4th option, that is only 2 multiple, but not 4 multiple. Whereas your 5th option is 4 multiple also. Come on. Right. Now observe your original numbers. Our answer 43 into 82. Do you have 2 multiple? Yes, obviously. Do you have 4 multiple? Me pada e urlo undi akkada. 4 multiple ekkundi akkada? Do you have 4 multiple? When you don't have 4 multiple in your actual numbers, can your answer be a 4 multiple? Fifth option eliminated, fourth final answer. Did you get this point? Next. How many people watch both Hindi as well as Gujarati? Hindi as well as Gujarati. H and G combination. H and G combination. So, yes, H and G is here. H and G is here. So, 9 plus 7, that is 16% only. Come on. 16 into 1% value, that is 82. Last digit verification. Answer must end with 2. How many options are there? How many are there? 2 are there. We have to calculate. No chance, because both are 4 multiples and nothing can be done. Nothing can be done. 16%. Yes, come on, chase it then. 16%, 20% minus 4%, otherwise 10%, 5%, 1%. What is 10%? 820. 5%, 410. 1%, 82. Answer must end with 12. Third option, final answer. Is this clear? How many people in village A watch Marathi TV shows? They said Marathi, not only Marathi. As they said Marathi, wherever M is there, we must consider that. Is that okay? 17 plus 8, 25, 25 plus 7, 32, 32 plus 9, 41 plus 7, 48%. 48 into 1% value, that is 82. Answer must end with, how many options are there? Only one. First option final. Is this clear? Sometimes we will verify multiplication rule also based on our number. When you calculate 1%, what number you get? 82. That can be written as 2 into 41. 41 is a prime number. If your 1% value, like we have for 82 here, if your 1% value is 3 multiple or 7 multiple, 9 multiple, 11 multiple, then we will verify 11 multiplication rule. Because that is not possible here, we are going for last digit verification. Come on, combination. 72 can be written as 8 into 9. Come on. 12 can be written as 4 into 3. Now identify the combination. 4 into 8, 32. 3 into 9, 27. 32, 27. Sum is equal to 59 only. So combination is minus 32, 32, 27 combination. Factors are minus 32, minus 27. Is that clear? Divided by coefficient of x square, 12. Understood so far? Right, next. So 26 can be written as 2 into 13. And let me take the number 4 as it is. 4 into 2, 8 into 13. Plus 8 plus 13 plus 21. Combination set. Factors are minus 8, minus 13 divided by coefficient of y square, that is equal to 4. Is this clear? Our earlier denominator was 12. So even here also I am expecting denominator 12. So what I will do is I will try to multiply both numerator and denominator with 3. 8 3 is 24 by 12. 13 3 is 39 by 12. Is this clear? Now, everywhere denominator 12, 12, 12 gets cancelled. Minus 32 minus 24. X less than y. Is that clear? Minus 32 minus 39. X is greater than y. Whenever you get less than and greater than condition, relation cannot be established. Final answer. Over. Next. Now, 99 can be written as 9 into 11 only. And 4 can be written as 2 into 2. 2 into 9, 18. 2 into 11, 22. minus 18 minus 22 is our, both are factors. Divided by, is it really necessary to write denominator? Because y square is also having same coefficient as x square. Even if you write, both gets cancelled, so don't write it. Now 56 can be written as 7 into 8. 4 can be written as 2 into 2. Now combination 14 and 16. Minus 14 minus 16 are our factors. X less than y, x less than y, x less than y, x less than y, x less than y is our final answer, which is third option. Sometimes your answer can be y greater than x also. So don't rely on the symbol, rely on entire condition. Next, 21 can be written as 3 into 7, 3 into 3, 9 and 7. Minus 9 minus 7 minus 16 is the combination. Factors are plus 9 plus 7 divided by coefficient of x square 3. 21 can be written as 3 into 7, minus 3 minus 7 is the combination. Then factors are plus 3 plus 7. How much is this number? 3. How much is this number? 2 1 by 3. 3 and 3 equal 3 and 2 1 by 3. X less than condition. X less than condition. X less than condition. So we are getting x is less than or equal condition. X less than or equal condition, fourth option. Next, approximations. Can we treat it as 12 square? Come on, 144. Next, minus 6 square, 36. And these two numbers goes to right hand side only, because your x value is in left hand side only. So other two numbers, my plus 144 minus 36 goes to right hand side. It becomes plus 36 minus 144. Let's add positive numbers. 171 plus 36, 201. From this we have to subtract 12 square. Okay, 207. Okay, that is equal to 63 only. Come on. So this entire value is equal to 63. First complete the bracket value. 1221 plus 33, that is equal to 1254 only. By x is equal to 63, then x is equal to divided by 63. What is 10 times of the denominator? What is 20 times? If 10 times is 630, 20 times is exactly double, right? 630 double. 1260, your numerator is approximately 1260, so answer approximately 20 times. Followed. Next. So always identify where is your x value. That is in left hand side, but negative symbol. Take that fellow to right hand side. That becomes 120x, correct? And right hand side number will come to left hand side. That becomes minus 1234. We'll consider that later, but before that, let's complete this. 549.465. Can we treat it as 550? Divided by 0.05. That can be written as 5 by 100 only, which is equal to 11,000. Left hand side there is a positive number which is equal to 470. Then total value 11,470. And from the right hand side we are getting minus 1234 to the left hand side. Then this is equal to 10,236, which is equal to 120x. Then x is equal to divided by 120 only. Come on. Right. Forget about 0 in denominator. We'll consider 0 anytime later. What is 12 8 times? Come on. 96. If it is 128 times, that is 960 only. 120 80 times, 9,600 only. Come on. But our numerator is more than that. So answer is more than 80. That is clear. What is 12 9 times? 108. 90 times of 120 is equal to 10,800. But our numerator is less than 10,800. That means answer is more than 80 but less than 90. How many options are there? First option final. Just identify the range, that is enough. Clear? Now let's start arithmetic questions. The number of days taken by B to complete a project is 30% less than time taken by A to complete the same project. If A takes 36 days to complete 3/5 of the work, come on, 3/5, I have told you many times. Numerator is work done now and denominator is total. So let us assume 5 parts is our total and 3 parts work is already done. 3 parts work is done in how many days? Come on. Then 1 part can be done in 12 days. Total work is denominator 5 parts. So 5 parts can be done in 5 into 12. Who can complete the work in 60 days? A can complete the work in 60 days. Now whereas B, he takes, and this is comparison about their timings only. Sometimes they will compare efficiency and sometimes they will compare time. This question is about comparison about their timings only. B takes 30% less time than A. What is 30% of 60? 18 days less. మీకు నేను ఏమన్నా అసిస్టెంట్ అనుకుంటున్నారా? -18 కూడా చేయటం రాదా? Come on. 42. Now the question is, in how many days will A, B together complete the job? Instead of going for LCM, units method or one day work concept, because let us go for direct multiplication method. So if A can do it in A number of days, B can do it in B number of days, together can do it in AB by A plus B. Direct use this because your question is about together can complete the work in how many days? A 60, B 42, A plus B 102. 6 7 times, 6 17 times. Numerator 60 into 7, 6 into 7 42 divided by, because your denominator is 17 which is a prime number, even in your answer also either you should get integer or you should get denominator 17. Am I right? With that reason I can eliminate directly second option and fourth option. 17 2 times 30. In 42, 17 2 times only possible. So you know that your answer should start with which option? Final. I don't want to calculate what the other stupid number is. 2 options eliminated already based on the denominator and first digit. Enough. The time taken by a boat to travel X kilometers downstream in 3.5 hours. You need to calculate time. In how much time? Time taken by the boat to travel X kilometers downstream in 3.5 hours. And what is your question? X value. X in the sense distance only. Distance in the sense that is equal to speed into time only. Downstream speed so far we don't have. But time, you know, how much is the time? 3.5 in the sense 7 by 2 only. Can you change this 7 from numerator? Yes or no? Then answer must be which multiple? Is your first option 7 multiple? Second? Third? Fourth? Fifth? Fourth option final. I don't even read the entire question, what the other information is. Your question is about distance, which is speed into time. Time is already given, 3.5, which is 7 by 2. You cannot change 7 in the numerator because you have only one denominator, which is 2. That's all. Is it done? Next. The perimeter of the rectangle A is 80. 2 times of L plus B is 80. Then L plus B is equal to 40. Next. The ratio between length and breadth in terms of number of parts is 8 parts. 8 parts is equal to, then 1 part is equal to, length is equal to 5 parts. 5 times 25. Breadth is equal to 3 parts. 3 into 5, 15. The area of the rectangle B is 20% less than area of the rectangle A. Then area of the rectangle B is, okay, 20% less. Now, area of the rectangle A is equal to length into breadth only. 25 into 15. I'll write 25 as 20 plus 5. 15 as 20 minus 5. Is it in the form of A plus B into A minus B? A square minus 20 square minus 5 square. 400 minus 25. So rectangle A area is 375 and B area is 20% less than this number. What is 10% of this number? 20%. Double 75. Come on. Answer. That's all. Third option. Next, A invested 1500 rupees in a business. At the end of 6 months from the start of the business, B joined with 2500. So A's investment 1500, B's investment 2500. I am not writing 2 zeros because even if you write, both gets cancelled. And at the same time A left when B joined. B joined after how many months? That means B will be there for remaining 6 months. A is there from the beginning but he left after. That means A is also there for A and B time periods are same. Then their investment ratio must be equal to their profit sharing ratio. 5 3 times, 5 5 times. So they must share profit in the ratio 3:5. If A's share is 3000, that means 3 part is equal to 3000 only, and you're asked to calculate total annual profit, which is 8 parts. If 3 parts is 3000, 8 parts must be 8000, fifth option. Over. Out of his monthly income, Siva spends 15% on paying rent, 35% on buying groceries. So far, what percentage is over? 50% is over. Am I right? When you read this data, be careful. Sometimes they may say 35% of the remaining. Be careful. It is about total only. Now, for this question. So, 15 plus 35, 50% is over. And what is remaining? And that remaining 50% is deposited in bank. If in a year the amount he deposited in the bank was 1,92,000, that means this value is 50% only. Next, how much did he spend on rent and groceries together in a month? Rent and groceries together is also 50%. Then that is also equal to 1,92,000. But this 1,92,000 is per year, but now your question is about month. So to convert year-wise data to month-wise data, we must divide number with 12. 12 ones, 72, 6, 3 zeros. Third option final. Over. Yes, we are done with it.